In this video, I'll be showing you a alternative way for working with assignments in Chapter 4 that I hope will be easier. You'll have to let me know. I've logged in here as a fictitious student and I've gone into my statistics course. You'll have your usual nothing changes in Canvas. I'll be looking at assignment 4.2. You can go through assignments or modules or your syllabus, however you're used to going to it. And when I open up 4.2, it might look a little different to you. Notice there's no window that comes open. You'll probably see Submit Assignment up in next to the title. This is Resubmit because this student has submitted this assignment before. But the difference is there'll be a link to the assignment. You can see the link here. I'll click on the link, and there's another key difference here. You'll notice that it's view only. I have only view access to it. So if I go and I try to actually do the assignment, if I try to type, I can't type in it. I'm trying to type in it, but I cannot because I have view only. This is not my assignment to work on. So in order to work on this assignment, I've got to go to File, make a copy. Go to File, make a copy. You'll notice I refreshed the screen there. If you try to type on it, it will stop you. You can't type on it, so don't. Go to File, make a copy. You'll see it says copy of 4.2. That's a fine name. You can decide where you want to put it. If you have a filing system, you may be in your own drive, you may be in the college drive. If you can use the college drive, it might work better for submission, but I really don't know. That you'll have to find out. So I'm going to create a copy. So this is the original one over here, and over here is the copy. You'll notice on this one, the menu, some of them, I can't do certain things. They're just not available to me. So I do this one, I won't be doing anything with this one. That's the original. Over here is my copy. See that up here? Copy. This one, I can edit it because it's a copy. So I'll put in here equals the count. Now remember, paired data, the count is just the data that's right there. And I can make a graph. That's a fairly simple thing. It's hidden off this more menu on this particular window. There we go. Nope. There. Insert chart. It might get me the right chart type. It might not, depending. It gave me the right chart type. But if it didn't, I could go down and get the right chart type. And now I can, well, it's labeled the axes for me already. I'm on a laptop. So I've got my assignment partway done. I've got some more questions to answer. I've got to use the slope function and the intercept function. Watch the other videos for that. They're listed down below. But there's my assignment, and it's all done. Now, I will probably have a couple ways I can submit it. So I'm going to go ahead and download it as a PDF, as that will be one way I can submit it. And I'll just say export, and it will download the PDF to my desktop. And yeah, I say, yeah, go ahead, download it. You may get some other messages like that as well. And so that's downloaded to my desktop. I'll put that away for a minute here and come back to here. Now, to submit my assignment, I've gone back to Canvas over here to this button. I'll click on Submit Assignment. You'll see I have a couple here. This student has a couple options. You may have more options. You might have a Google Drive LTI back to the G Suite that the college set up. But I'll show you two ways of submitting the assignment. One, you can upload the file. Click on Choose File right around here. Go find your file. I got a lot of stuff on my desktop. I gotta go see where that thing landed. Go pick up that thing. I better go search for a copy of something. I think it went to, I'm not sure where it went. Copy of, there it is. It's landed in the downloads folder, of course. So I'm gonna upload it, but I searched for it, I found it. If I want, I can add a comment, and I can submit the assignment. So I'll go ahead and get that thing submitted. There we go. Couple clicks because I clicked in comments. Oh, confetti, I apparently uploaded the file correctly. And so I've submitted the file. Now, There was another way here, and that was Google Docs. And you'll be free to play around with these things. If I go to Google Doc, I can see my file right there in the Google Docs little file picker here. And so I can say, yeah, that one, and submit that one. Oops, submit that. And at least for this account, this works. Your, as we say in the computer world, your mileage may vary. As you work with this window, try the different things. There's another video for working from mobile that you can also look at. But use whichever system makes the most sense to you. This also would allow you potentially to copy data into something else like Excel and then upload a PDF, download a PDF and upload that. Strictly up to you. I prefer to use Google Sheets, and my data and questions will come out in Google Sheets. So the homework will look the same, but I'm changing the way we get at them and submit them to be a link. And remember, when you go to the link, you will have a file that you cannot edit. You cannot edit that file. You must go to File, Make a Copy, right here. That's the trick. And that will make a new copy of the file. And that's the one you do your homework on. That's the one you download and upload or cross-load from Google Docs. But it's the copy that you work on. That's the one that has all of the functions in it. So don't forget, if you see View Only, you're still in My Document here. That's me. I don't even know who that is, but that's me there. So that's my document. You need to go to File and make a copy. That's the big key to the new system for uploading. If you have questions, as always, please do ask.